Yo, what's up, guys? I hope everybody's having a great day so far. So, look, I'm going to do a review, man. Of Craig Harrison's cookbook. Let me show it to you. So this is the cookbook from F9 from Craig Harrison. Let me tell you, this book is extremely well built. These are all laminated pages. What's up, JB? What's up, Sergio? These are all laminated pages, and man, guys, I gotta tell you what, I've been looking through this thing, and I really wish this was out years ago, man. This book will literally cut years off the learning curve, man. I mean, you know, he's got your surface identification charts here to identify surfaces, right? And then it gets into identifying your stains, what type of stains you're dealing with. And it's going to take you to every single step to do. This book is just filled with so much information. I mean, this book is sick. I got to give it to Craig. He killed it with this thing. This is a game changer. I'm not going to show you guys the whole book. I don't want to go through his whole book and show it to everyone, but it's everything in this book is this, like I'm saying, you got all your stain identification, identifying your surfaces, you know, and how to attack that surface and that stain. It's just sick. And I want to thank Craig, man, for coming out with a product like this. I mean, like I said, I wish they had this, man. When I started, this would have saved me so much time and aggravation of trying to figure out what to use and what stains and what type of stain it is and what we're going to use on it, right? And I'm also pumped up that these books, whoever's coming to the Jersey event, you're going to have a chance. We're giving away a couple of these books. Craig has gracefully sent a few of these books to give away at the event. So a couple lucky guys are going to actually win this book at the Jersey event. Customer factor. Let me see what JB's saying. JB saying, looking for something helping. Yeah, JB, I'll give you a call as soon as I get off of here. I'll message you and then just call me. So yeah, guys, if you guys don't have this book, go to F9 Restorations and check this thing out, man. I'm telling you, this thing will help you. It'll save you time, and it will make you money. And that's what you guys can understand. This can make you money. So, you know, especially for some guys that are newer, man. Like I'm saying, when I was new, I wish I knew how to deal with a lot of this stuff. Look at this sign, for example. When we're new, we look at a sign like this, we say, man, what are we going to do? Right? What's laid out in here? It's laid out in this book how to deal with that problem. And, guys, that's all money right there. I see Doug is joined. Look at that job by Doug Rucker right there. Look at that. Cleaning Green Solutions. That's a job by Doug Rucker. Dealing with some bricks. So this is what I'm saying, guys. This is actually Contractors, man. This is proven results. And check it out. Check the book out. And like I said, a couple lucky guys will actually win this book in Jersey. So that's it, guys. I just want to review this book, man. I don't review products a lot. You don't really see me coming on and doing videos actually reviewing a product. But I must say, I'm impressed. Really impressed with this book. And wish I had it a lot time sooner, man. That's the only thing I can say about it, man. So thanks, Craig, for an awesome product, man.